In this objective question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option explaining hormone releasing intrauterine device. For this, let me understand in which way this hormone releasing intrauterine device is inserted into the female reproductive system and in which way it is helping us to stop the pregnancy. For this, let me explain the intrauterine device function. Intrauterine device is a small contraceptive device. Often we used to call that as a T-shaped structure containing either copper or levonorgestrel, which is inserted into the uterus. They are the one form of long-acting reversible contraception, which is the most effective type of reversible birth control. The LNG20 is so called because it releases 20 microgram of levonorgestrel per 24 hours compared with 30 microgram of levonorgestrel in same mini pill. With this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after avoiding option A, C and D.